So we are doing our chapter 8, that is trigonometry, right? In that yesterday we have started our exercise 8.3. In that question number 1 has completed. Second question number 2 I have given as a homework, right?
Yes मैम.
हाँ, so have you tried?
मैम कुछ समझ ही नहीं आया इसको करना कैसे है. जैसे ऊपर वाले में तो ये वाली वैल्यूज रखनी थी, तो इसमें भी सेम ऐसे ही करना था. तो इसमें तो एक एक का आएगा ना. जैसे फर्स्ट में मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, तो अगर हम 10 को
हाँ, आपको ये करना था कि किंतु 10 का एडिशन 90 होता है, वो सोच के करना था. चलो एक बार करते हैं.
अच्छा हमें कोई दो पेयर लेने थे, जैसे 48 और 23 लेते हैं तो.
हाँ मीन्स अब क्या लोगे, 48 है तो उसके साथ आपको 10 42 लेना पड़ेगा. 48 के साथ 42 और 67 के साथ 23, तो 90 हो जाता.
हाँ
तो 90 हो जाता, मतलब आपका साइन कॉट हो जाता, 10 कॉट हो जाता.
हाँ, तो वो मैम 90 हो जाता, तो दोनों इक्वल हो जाते हैं, तो इक्वल्स टू 1 हो जाता.
हाँ राइट. सिमिलरली सेकंड भी ऐसा था. सेकंड समझ में आया?
हाँ सेकंड मैम यही है ना. तो फिर अब 52 और हम है ना एक को 38 मानते, तो एक बार कॉस्ट की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 52, और एक बार दोनों सेम ही, तो मैम 52 आएगा, दोनों माइनस कर देंगे तो 0 इक्वल्स टू 0 हो जाएगा.
वैसा ही होगा. बराबर.
वैसे मैम ये फेयर कॉपी में करना था कि नहीं?
फेयर देखो, ये आपके नॉलेज के लिए, आप फेयर में करोगे तो भी मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, राइट?
ओके.
What we want, we just want that your concept should be clear, right? क्योंकि now onwards MCQs are there, तो MCQs में ये सब कुछ ट्विस्ट हो सकते हैं, भले वो ना हो. तो you have to just remind it कि मिस थोड़ा करते रहो, तो क्या आपको आइडिया आएगा कि कोई नया भी. और ये तो मैथ्स है, तो मैथ्स तो करना जरूरी है, भले वो ओमिटेड हो या ना हो. So students,
yes ma'am.
Kavanjali, if you want, I will repeat one more time. Second number question. Shall I do it one?
No ma'am.
कर लोगे?
Yes ma'am.
ओके. अगर फिर भी करो ना समझ में आए तो कल फिर से करेंगे. ओके.
Yes ma'am.
So we are doing now starting question number 3. Rest of the students have understood this. Hazel, Hina, Rutika, Harsh.
Yes ma'am.
तो अदरवाइज हम कल करेंगे. अदरवाइज बोलो तो आज कर ले. That is your choice.
No ma'am.
कर लेते हैं.
करते एक बार. चलो एक कर लेते बस. आप then do it the next one yourself. Okay. So here first question is that 1048, 1023, 1042 and 1067 is equal to 1, right? That is given as a question. So we just try to get it. Here is 42 and here 48 and 42. If we are adding up, it will become into the 90. Similarly, 1026 and 1067. If we are adding up, it will become the 90. So here we have to do the same. So 1048 is there. So what can we write? We can write cot 90 minus 48. Are you getting my voice clearly first of all?
Yes ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So instead of this cot 48, I have written 1048. I have written cot 90 minus 48, right or not? समझ में आया?
Yes ma'am.
Okay.
हाँ ma'am.
So here 1020 is there. So instead of this 1023, I am writing cot 90 minus 23. Okay. Here 1042 and here 1067 will remain as it is. Now instead of cot 90 minus 40, it will become what? Cot 42 will become. Right? Here cot 90 minus 23 will become cot 67. Right? Here 1042 and here 1067 is there. So what will become? Here cot 42 and 1042 become same. So one side will become same. So it become cancel it out. Here cot 67 and here tan 67. That also we cancel it out and your answer will become as a 1. That is the right hand side. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
और you can do the another one also. अगर आप 42 को 48 में कन्वर्ट करो तो भी चलेगा. Okay, this is vice versa cases here. Any one you have to change. Now, similarly, question number 2 is that try to solve it. There is same. Okay, you have to just convert it. The cos and sin will become cos is z and sin is z, right? So you just convert it into same one. So it will cancel it out because the value will be the same. Chalo. Now we are doing the third number. Third number is that if tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. So we have been given that tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle. We have to find out the value of a. So what we will do? Here tan है, here cot is there, right? So we have to convert them into the single same one. So here tan is here, so first try to convert it into the cot, because afterwards this cot and cot will be cancel it out, right? So by converting this in a cot, so what will become? Cot 90 minus 2a, right? Cot 90 minus 2a is equal to tan 2a. So we are adding cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. Clear? So this cot and this cot will be cancel it out and remaining is what? So therefore we can write 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. So we are writing as a 90 minus is z. We are taking this side, become plus 18 is equal to a. This a is equal to become plus 2a. So we become 90 plus 18 is equal to 108. Right? 108
Yes.
is equal to 3a. So we can say that a is equal to 108 upon 3. Now what will be your a now?
36.
Right. So the value of a will become your 36. So that will be the value of a. Okay. Like this way we can find out the value of a. Now clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now if you know that fourth sum is omitted, but I just repeat it one. If tan a is equal to cot b, prove that a plus b is equal to 90. So just doing it one time, okay? आप समझो, try to understand. It is not going to come in an exam, but still we are doing it. This is done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm erasing it, okay? Just for your understanding, I am solving the fourth sum, okay? It is not there in your syllabus. So it is given as tan A is equal to cot B. Right? Same is there. What do you do? Here tan is there, so convert it into the cot. So we know what? Cot 90 minus a, right or not, is equal to your cot b. So again cot and cot will be cancel it out. So we can get that 90 minus a is equal to b. So 90 remain as it is, b is there. This will go there side, become plus a. Now just arranging it, become a plus b is equal to 90. Like this way we can prove it. Right? Understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So this is
Yes,
not
ma'am.
there, but you should understand this. That is same as the question number 3. So that's why we have just done it. Now fifth number. Now fifth number is that if sec 4a, we are writing this fifth number. Sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20. Right? What? Where 4a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Same that we have done previous, right? So what will you do? Cos sec is z, so we will convert it to the cosec. So what will become cosec? So we can write cosec 90 minus 4a is equal to sec 4a, right? So instead of sec 4a, we have written cosec 90 minus 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20 will remain as it is. Now this cosec and this cosec will be cancel it out, and remaining is 90 minus 4a is equal to a minus 20. Now 90 this 20 will come this side, become plus 20 is equal to a. This 4a will go that side, become plus 4a. So 90 plus 20 is equal to 110 is equal to 5a. So we can say that a is equal to 110 divided by 5. So the value of a,
22.
very good. The value of a is equal to 22. Like this way, we can complete this sum. Easy to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have completed fifth. Sixth number is still what we can say reduced by the government, right? So do you want to solve it? If A, B and C are integer angles of triangle ABC, then so that sin B plus C upon 2 is equal to cos A upon 2. बोलो करना है ये वाला सम? That depend upon you. Do you want to do that sum?
ऐसा सम चूज द ऑब्जेक्ट में आ सकता है, मतलब टिक द करेक्ट में.
मोस्टली तो नहीं आएगा, बट अगर आपको रिस्क लगता है तो आप एक बार समझ लो. बराबर, भले लिखो ना लिखो, कॉपी ना करो नोटबुक में, बट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड वंस. ओके, तो आपका लॉजिक भी मींस देखो ये सॉल्व करोगे तो आपको कोई और तो आइडिया आएगा ना, इसलिए हम कर लेते हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट हैव बीन गिवन, हमें करना है sin b plus c upon 2 is equal to cos a upon 2. ये हमें प्रूव करना है, बट and it is given that ABC are interior angles of a triangle ABC. So interior angles are there. So what we can write? Angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180. We are going to use it. Why we are going to use it? Because all three are given. A, B and C, all three are given. So we should know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 in the case of a triangle. Right? Now, what we have been given? Sin B plus C is upon 2 is given. So, and here we have been given that A B plus C. Right? So, instead of B plus C, what can we write now from here? So, B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. This A will go that side. Become what? 180 minus A. Clear? Now, here we want what divided by 2 is also there. Divided by 2 is that. So, try to get it over here also. So, divided by 2, both the sides. Why we are doing same? Because here also we want A divided by 2. Right? And here also 2 is there. So, we are just dividing it. So, what will become? B plus C upon 2 is equal to 180 divided by 2 minus A upon 2. These separately we are getting it. So 2 90s are, so we can write that b plus c upon 2 is equal to 90 minus a upon 2. This one is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Bus. Now what we are doing? We are just putting instead of b plus c this value, because it becomes 90 minus theta, and theta is given as a upon 2. Okay, so what will become now? Sin b plus c upon 2 is equal to what now? Sin, we can write 90 minus a upon 2, it become 90 minus a upon 2. So 90 minus theta is z. So what will become? It will become your cos a upon 2. Yes, 90 minus theta, but theta is given as a upon 2. So we can write directly cos a upon 2. That will become your LHS. No, that will become your RHS, right? We are starting from the LHS, left hand side. Are you getting this concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear now? This is not there in your syllabus, so don't worry, but just try to कि ऐसे कोई sum भी आ सकते हैं कभी भी. Okay? चलो. Now next. Next is given that 7th number is there in your syllabus. Okay, so try to get it clearly, more clearly. Now, express sin 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in the terms of trigonometry ratio of angles between 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. Means 45. So, this value 67 and 75, it is not coming between 0 to 45. So, we have to convert this value into what? Angle should be 0 to 45 only. उससे ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. तो उसके लेवल पे हमें कन्वर्ट करना है और कुछ नहीं. ओके, सो इजी फॉर अस आल्सो, क्योंकि हमें सिर्फ हाई चेंज करने को बोला है वो और कुछ नहीं. सो वी कैन राइट इट एट 7 sin 67 degree plus cos 75 degree. Okay, हम trigonometry की 6 terms are there, right? Trigonometry has 6 terms: sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot. Out of these 6, we can use any terms, any trigonometry ratio. So what we are doing, we just convert them into the another trigonometric ratio. So what will become? Sin is z. So we can convert into the cos. So what will become? Cos 90 minus 67 instead of this sign plus cos. Cos is 7 here, so we convert it to the sin theta to become sin 90 minus 75. So what will become? Cos 90 minus 67 is equal to what? 23 degree and plus sin. So sin 90 minus 75 is equal to
15.
15.
right. So that will become your theta. So we are getting this value that theta is coming between 0 to 45, right? 0 और 45 के अंदर आ जाता है values. Yes, theta is not less than 0 or not more than 45. So this will become your our answer. और कुछ नहीं करना उसमें. Getting? Clear to everyone? So, no, you don't have any doubt in the example 9. So, we are doing.
No.
Okay. So, we are doing example 10 for you all as a homework. If sin 3a is equal to cos a minus 26 is z, where 3a is an acute angle, find the value of a. समझ में आया आपको क्या करना है?
Yes, ma'am.
Sine is there, so convert into the cos theta. So what will become cos 90 minus
Cos
3.
minus 3 है.
So cos will be cancel it out.
Cancel
And
it out.
then,
90 minus 26 or 3a plus 4a.
So like this way you can solve the sum, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now example 11. That is same as this example. Express cot 85 plus cos 75 in the terms of trigonometric ratios of angle between 0 to 45. Easy?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
cot convert into the tan and cos convert into the sine.
Into sign.
Right? So this is your also easy. See, reduce sums you will not solve in the notebook. That is up to you. But examples you have to solve in your notebook. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now we are doing our last exercise. Before that,
मैम
huh?
मैम ये जो एग्जांपल 11 है ना
Huh?
उसमें मैम कॉड 90 माइनस 5 क्यों किया है? जैसे हमने तो 75 और 85 लिए थे तो
करते चलो हम यहाँ पे.
इसने मैम वैल्यू चेंज ही नहीं की.
हाँ. मैं समझाती हूँ आपको कैसे किया है उन लोगों ने. बराबर. चलो. We are solving that. So example 11. It has been given that cot 85 plus cos 75. See, they have written what? उन्होंने ऐसा लिखा है cot तो रहने दिया है, right? Here they have written 90 minus 5. Yes or no? उसका
Yes.
मतलब भी क्या हुआ आपका? cot 85 हुआ जो ऊपर आपने लिखा है.
यस मैम.
और यहाँ पे उन्होंने क्या किया है? cos ही लिखा है और यहाँ पे लिखा है 90 minus 15 और 90 minus 15 is equal to 75. तो जैसा था वैसा ही लिखा उन्होंने. बराबर. हम लोग क्या करते डायरेक्टली लिख देते. Right? What we are doing, we are just writing directly converting into the tan. So what we are writing? Tan we are writing 90 minus 8, that is 45. And here we are writing sin 90 minus 75. So we are going to the next step. So tan 90 minus 85 is equal to what? Tan 5 plus sin 90 minus 75 is equal to sin 50.
50.
ओके. मीनिंग सेम होता है पर वो लोग अलग मेथड से करते हैं. बट दिस विल बिकम योर इजी फॉर यू, राइट?
यस मैम.
हाँ. सो डू इट लाइक दिस प्योरली. वो फर्स्ट स्टेप को 2 टाइम करते हैं, लिखते हैं. बट वी आर गोइंग अहेड विद द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. ओके.
यस मैम.
Okay, now next one. In next exercise, some identities are there, and these are the very important identities of this trigonometry. As you know that we are generally discussing the identities regarding a plus b square, right, that way. These are also called as the identities, but that is related to the only identities. Here trigonometric identities are there. So just revise the simple identities and then we'll go for the trigonometric identities. So simple identities में क्या क्या आएगा? A plus B whole square is there. Then what will be the answer?
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
हाँ. A minus B whole square is there.
A
A square minus 2ab plus b square.
Good. A square minus B square.
A plus b, a minus b.
Okay. Now listen. Into bracket a plus b plus c whole square is there. बोलो अभी. बोलो अभी. अंजलि अभी तो टाइम है, ये तो सबको आता था. चलो वी आर डूइंग फ्रॉम द बिगनिंग, राइट. 8 से करते थे, अब ये 9th में किया था हमने. x plus y और a plus b plus c whole square is z, and what will be the answer? मिला किसी को आंसर? So it will become that a square plus
a
b
square plus b square plus c square
हाँ.
plus 2ab
Hmm.
plus 2bc plus 2ca.
Right. Have you find from somewhere?
नो मैम, मेरे को पहले याद आ गया था, एक्चुअली किसी का फोन आ गया था तो म्यूट हो गया था.
Okay. चलो. Now next is that a cube minus b cube.
a cube plus b, a cube
Minus b cube. I am giving you 3 as a homework. चलो ये भी ढूंढना है. Then a minus b whole cube and a plus b whole cube is z. Then what will be the answer? That you have to find it out and tell me tomorrow. Okay. See, we just have last 10 minutes. So just we are doing the next identities that you can learn it, and tomorrow we can revise it. Okay. हाँ बोलो.
मैम, आपने इससे पहले cos स्क्वायर a प्लस sin स्क्वायर a वाली आइडेंटिटी समझाई थी.
नहीं, अभी मैंने क्या करवाया था, खाली फर्स्ट हमने किया था वैल्यूज ऑफ cos tan थीटा की वैल्यूज की, कैसे ऑपोजिट और हाइपोटेनस वाला होता है वो. नेक्स्ट वी हैव डन विद द वैल्यूज ऑफ 0 मींस थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0, 30, 45, 60 एंड 90 की वैल्यूज, राइट.
हाँ मैम.
नेक्स्ट वी हैव डिस्कस एट sin 90 minus a is equal to cos a.
हाँ.
That we have done in the exercise 8.3. Now we are doing the next identities. Okay.
Yes मैम.
So first identity is that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That you have to remember. Mostly we are using this identity to solve these sums. Okay. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Next is given. You can prove it also, but without proving, we are just understanding it up just now. Okay. Tan is given 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a. Then 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. Thus, these 3 identities are there regarding the sums. 3 identities. This is very important. Okay, that we are using. इसमें आपको भूलने की आदत हो जाएगी, but I am making it clear. देखो, first sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Remember this. Now just remember c के साथ c ही आता है यहाँ पे. 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. Okay, remaining is what? Only 1 plus tan square a is there, that is sec square a come. Okay, cot is there तो obviously cosec will come, tan है तो उसका उल्टा आएगा sec वाले में, but c will remain c in this identity. Okay, so these 3 identities are there to understand, and it is called as a trigonometric identities. Again repeating, sin square a or sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a, and 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. So these 3 identities are there. चलो just revise it one more time. चलो
Yes मैम.
पूछते हैं हम लोग तो आपका मीन्स व्हाट विल बिकम, it will become memorized also and you can clear your concept also. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to
1.
very good. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to
Cosec square A.
theta.
Theta.
cosec square theta, right?
Square
Square is there. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to
Sec
Square
square theta.
sec square theta. Okay. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to
क्या मैम?
1.
sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 plus tan square theta is equal to
Sec square theta.
sec
Square theta.
square A.
sec square theta अभी के लिए. And 1 plus cot square A is equal to
Cosec
Sec square A.
Sec theta.
okay. So students, just remember this identities. We are going to use it by tomorrow. So learn it and we are ending up this class. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो bye everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.